What if I told you that you could launch a YouTube channel today, never show your face, never record your own voice, and still make hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the secret. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and beginners are turning simple ideas into full-time income with the right strategy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create faceless YouTube videos that grab attention, rank in search, and start earning money, even if you're brand new. The first step is picking a niche that actually works. You can't just make videos about random topics and expect results. Small channels that earn big focus on niches that are both searchable and monetizable. Think AI tools, productivity hacks, finance tips, tech reviews, or even relaxing background content like study music or meditation sounds. The trick is to pick one niche and dominate it. This helps the YouTube algorithm understand your content and recommend your videos to the right audience. For example, a channel focusing solely on AI productivity tools can quickly build authority because every video appeals to the same type of viewer. Once your niche is decided, it's time to plan your content. This is where automation and AI come in. AI tools can research trending topics, generate full video scripts, and even suggest hooks that increase viewer retention. But here's where successful creators stand out. They don't just use AI blindly, they refine scripts to add personality, examples, or unique insights that make the content more human. A video titled Top 5 AI Tools to Boost Productivity can go from generic to click-worthy if you include clear examples, relatable analogies, and practical steps viewers can implement immediately. After scripting, the next critical step is voiceover. You don't need to record your own voice or hire expensive narrators. AI voice generators now sound incredibly natural, offering different tones, accents, and pacing options. For instance, you can create a friendly conversational narration for a tutorial or an inspiring tone for motivational content. One beginner channel I studied produced 8 videos in a single day using AI voiceovers alone, which shows how much time you can save and how scalable this system is. Visuals are just as important as voiceovers. Many people think faceless channels require high-end animation or expensive stock footage, but that's not true. You can combine free or low-cost stock videos, AI-generated images, screen recordings, and simple text overlays to create professional-looking content. For example, if you're making a video about top productivity apps, visuals could include animated app screens, stock clips of people working, and overlay text highlighting key features. Automation tools can even stitch these elements together, reducing hours of editing into a few minutes. But here is where it gets interesting: optimization and scheduling. Small channels that succeed don't rely on luck, they use data. Every video is optimized for YouTube SEO with targeted keywords in titles, descriptions, tags, and eye-catching thumbnails. AI tools can help identify trending keywords and even suggest thumbnail variations. Scheduling uploads consistently is essential. The YouTube algorithm favors channels that post regularly. Many faceless creators automate their uploads to release videos at the same time each week, maintaining consistency without spending all day online. Audience engagement can also be partially automated. Comments, community posts, and even replies can use AI-generated templates to save time while still connecting with viewers. Engagement boosts watch time and subscriber growth, which signals YouTube to recommend your videos to more people. The channels that scale fastest are the ones who automate repetitive tasks without sacrificing the quality of interaction. Even a small channel can grow quickly if viewers feel noticed and valued. Monetization is the part everyone wants to know about. Faceless channels make money in multiple ways: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Ad revenue comes from watch time, which increases with engaging, consistent content. Affiliate marketing lets creators earn commissions by recommending tools, apps, or products in video descriptions. Sponsorships usually appear after the channel has built a loyal audience. Combining these streams allows even small channels to generate significant income. For example, a faceless channel reviewing AI productivity tools could earn money from ads, affiliate commissions, and a sponsored software review simultaneously. Performance tracking is another critical factor. Successful channels monitor analytics to see which videos get the most views, which thumbnails get clicks, and which topics retain viewers. AI tools can generate reports, suggest improvements, and even recommend trending video ideas. Creators who adjust based on data grow faster than those who post blindly. For example, one small channel discovered that tutorial-style how-to videos consistently outperformed top 5 list videos, so they shifted their content strategy and increased views by 50% in just a few weeks. Scaling your channel is the final piece of the puzzle. Once your workflow is automated, niche selection, AI scripting, AI voiceovers, visuals, SEO optimization, and engagement, you can start producing multiple videos per week. Some creators even outsource parts of the process while maintaining a fully automated system. Scaling doesn't mean rushing. It means using your workflow efficiently to increase output, reach more viewers, and accelerate growth. One beginner channel went from 0 to 50,000 monthly views in just 8 weeks using this system. The biggest lesson is that automation amplifies creativity. It doesn't replace it. You still need to plan, refine scripts, and select visuals that resonate with viewers. Automation removes repetitive work, shortens production time, and allows you to focus on growth and strategy. Beginners can compete with bigger creators by using AI strategically, producing high-quality videos without appearing on camera, and posting consistently. The main takeaway is clear. Anyone can start a faceless YouTube channel and automate it for growth. Pick a niche, use AI for scripts and voiceovers, automate visuals and uploads, optimize for search, engage with your audience efficiently, and scale intelligently. With consistent execution, this system can turn into a sustainable income source that runs almost on autopilot. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where I break down the exact tools and workflow I use to create fully automated faceless YouTube channels. And check out the video on your screen to see this system in action. You'll see step by step how to turn a simple idea into a revenue-generating channel.